Hi everyone, welcome to the AICLUV View setup guide for the Insight portal. In this guide, we're going to walk you through how to add new sites and manage permissions. So head over to the website at AICLUV.com, and at the top here, you'll see the client portal. You want to click on that. That's for our Insight portal. Enter your credentials here to log in. If you haven't been provided with your client login details yet, contact your installer. Once you're logged in, you'll land directly on the client portal homepage, and this main dashboard provides an overview of your entire ecosystem, showing you exactly how many sites you have, your total camera count, and the online or offline status of your NVRs. Let's have a look at how to set up a brand new location profile. Navigate over to your settings menu and click New Site. Give your site a descriptive name and begin typing in the address. Our built-in address engine will automatically pull up the location for you. Click Done. So from here, you click Add Device, Add Camera, and here we have the sites we've already created. And we could also create another new site from here. But before linking any hardware to your cloud, ensure your local physical network layout is set up correctly. Your camera should be wired securely back to your NVR. Adding and activating an additional NVR. So to add and activate a new NVR on your profile, you'll need to input its unique hardware MAC address. You'll need to put this directly here. So if you don't know how to find this MAC address, you've got a couple ways. So first, make sure the hardware is online, and then you can open up EasyTools. This is a UniView diagnostics utility tool. It's available from uniview.com. And this is very important. Open it on the same network as your NVR. So EasyTools will scan your system and display the precise MAC address that you need. So here you're going to input your MAC address of the NVR to activate it. To activate the NVR, you have to create a password. Hit confirm. And here there are two scenarios. So one is if the camera is installed via plug and play mode, and the other is via PoE switch. So in this case here, we've got it connected directly to the NVR, so we're going to choose the first option. And then AICLUV View is going to search the NVR for cameras, and they'll pop up here. Let's add a camera. You can give it a name if you like. Let's have demo camera. And set up a time zone. Navigate to the cameras menu. And in this case, I already have a trial license key, but this one has an expired date. So you can always transfer the license, or you can transfer the license to another NVR, but they can only be transferred once. So you have to use them wisely. You can purchase a new license now and also request new licenses from your dealer. So I'll show you how to request here. So just go to Request Licenses at the top. Select the camera to add the license request. And you need to choose either a 1-year or 3-year license. Add the license request and complete license request. Okay, so your license request has been sent to your dealer. Now let's configure the camera's encoding parameters to allow our platform to process events flawlessly. So for this, you're going to need to log into your NVR to configure some of the settings on there. So you can do that from the NVR directly, or you can log in through the NVR's web interface via its IP address. Head over to Setup, and then Camera, and then Encoding. For your mainstream, ensure video compression codec is set to H.264. The camera resolution is adjusted to 4 megapixels or less, and make sure your bitrate is capped at 2048 kilobits or lower. Next, configure your substream. Let's set the compression codec for this to H.264 as well. Limit the video resolution to 720p or less, and lock the frame rate down to 15 frames per second. So matching these configuration rules exactly is vital for the cloud platform to index your data and send you alerts. So you're now fully equipped to add a new site. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more security insights. If you need support, send an email over to support@aicluv.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.